Good afternoon from Burton Waters Boat Sales, and today we're going to be showing you around something which you might not be overly familiar with. Personally I'm not, but I really like the look of this one. It's a Starfisher 830 OBS. It's a 2019 model, 2019 build, and it's one of our stock boats, so it comes fully prepped. We've serviced the engine, polished and anti-fouled it, as well as giving it a PDI. So it will also come supplied with a 3-month engine warranty, but what we'll do is we'll start on the exterior and then we'll head on inside. So just starting on the exterior now, the gel coat's in really good condition. As mentioned, we have just polished it, so it's got a real nice shine to it. One thing to note on this Starfisher is it's got a really good beam to it, so it has equal side decks. Both have really good access. So you've got these steps up, not compromised. You've got high stanchions, you've got a grab rail, so access on the side decks is fantastic. So when you are putting any fenders or lines and you want to get to the front deck, then you've got a good amount of space. Up the front, you've got your electric windless, so that can be operated from the helm itself, and then you've got a locker there. So what we'll do is we'll head back and then we'll show you what it's got to offer. So first things off, we'll point out it's got the Mercury 200 horsepower engine, which has just been serviced. Now cruising speed on this boat in particular, you're looking at about 22 knots for the sweet spot cruise. A more economical cruise will be about 18 knots. You've got a 270 litre fuel tank, so you've got a pretty decent cruising range. You've got a swim ladder just on the aft, transom gate. Now if you did want to make access a little easier, these do fold away, but then there is also an infill just for this section here, so you can really maximise the amount of space. But that's one thing to note on this boat, it offers plenty of deck space, really good size, especially if you do fancy doing a bit of fishing, then these can fold away and you've got, like I say, a really good amount of deck space. And you could also pop a director or 2 chairs in here just to maximise that volume. So when you are wanting to raise the outboard, obviously when the boat is not in use, then this simply just folds forward. You've got storage space just below here, and then below here you have got a really good amount of storage space. So I'll just open this up for you. So if thread comes, it's really impressive. It goes right the way back, so perfect if you need to chuck any fenders, lines or anything which you're not in need of really. So that is really impressive, especially if you are planning on fishing or anything which requires quite a bit of space which you don't want to have to keep inside. Then you can pop that down below. You've got your shore power hookup just there. And we'll head on inside now. So one thing to point out is it's quite a cool feature. That just pops in there, and then you've got a really good amount of space here, workspace. So you don't actually have a gas hob, although you could bring a portable one. You've got a sink with cold water, and then you've got storage below. A fridge which looks like it's seen very little use. And then if we move forward, you've got your aft bench, and then you've got this seat just here. So it's very nice and light in here. We've got windows giving you an excellent view out when you are at the helm, and then obviously you've got these patio doors so you can enclose the area, but yet again providing a really good view. But plenty of space for dining, I'd say for up to 4 people. And then you can let ventilation in through these windows, and then this hatch above head. So coming on to the helm itself, fairly simplistic, but it does everything you need really. So you've got a bow thruster, obviously we're on a single with your throttle falling nicely to hand. You've got your electric trim and tilt for your outboard, so that can be controlled from here. You've got your electric windless, and then you've got all your switches just here for your anchor lights, taps, wipers, etc. So just before we move on. This boat is done just under 90 hours, and as I say, it's just been serviced and it'll come supplied with a 3-month engine warranty. So moving on from the helm now, below here you have also got a sneaky bit of storage. So the amount of storage, as I say, is really impressive on this boat. Right, we'll move on, and I'll let Fred take you into the heads. So it's actually quite a good size. You've got plenty of headroom, so usually on a boat this size it is quite compromised, but you've got a really good amount of headroom in there, and you've got a sink with hot and cold water and a bit of storage. So moving forward now onto the accommodation space. Up the front you've got an elevated berth, and you've got a good amount of light as well. So you've got these windows running either side of the hull, and then you've got the escape hatch above head for some ventilation, and then you've also got a light just up there. And then down below you've got another separate berth, a little more compromised, but as you can see it goes right the way back. And then you've also got your infill for your saloon conversion, but it'd make an ideal storage space. And then you've also got some additional lockers above, but like I say, it acts as a really good storage space, so if you're not using anything, then you can put it down below. So just to round up the walkthrough video on this Starfisher 830, it's a 2019 boat priced at $49,950, so it won't hang around too long. We can arrange transport easily throughout the UK, and we can also get quotes and prices for you on anything which you may wish for. Finance companies we can also put you in touch with, so if you would like any more information on this boat, then please don't hesitate to get in contact with us. We'll leave the listing below, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you for watching.
Really good.